Hello and a very warm welcome to all my English-speaking friends and followers. My name is Beatrice Krammer. I'm a Roma specialist and book author. About 2 years ago I realized that there are many books at the market for how to use essential oils on children, but there was no book written for children themselves. This is the reason why I published in September my German book Zauberöle, for which Dr. Oliver Wenker, physician and essential oil specialist, wrote the preface for, and I'm really grateful for that. Since I got many requests about an English edition of my book, I today proudly present Magical Oils. This is Waldo the Wise Wizard. He is the main character of my book, and he teaches with do-it-yourselves, stories, and included quiz cards the responsible use of essential oils. In order to be able to work with this book, children should read really well, and therefore I recommend an age of 9 years and up. Of course, together with an adult, it is fun at much earlier age. My book is not linked to essential oil company because the pure quality is important and not the brand. And now, the maybe most important question, when magical oils will be available? And the answer is now. In this moment while you're watching my video, Magical Oils is ready to order. Please look above or below this video for more information, for the fantastic price, or for a short sneak preview to the book. You will see Magical Oils is information and fun for the whole family, and I wish you lots of magical moments. Yours, Beatrice.